Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download fingerprint sensor HP OmniBook Ultra 14. Okay, so you have to 100% type the driver, and after that it will come driver website support.hp.com. Okay, and open this first link and guys download driver only from the official website. Okay, yeah, and if you are using any different, and it will show here, so you can choose it OS, and otherwise scroll down. This is your laptop. Okay, I can see, and this is scroll down, extract keyboard mouse and input device, and this is fingerprint sensor driver. Okay, and then click to download. After that it will start it, and it will complete it. Just single click to open it. Okay, and then minimize the background window and see fingerprint sensor driver, and click to next. I accept, then next. Now it is start installation in background, and after some time you have to restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you.